Hey guys, welcome to Mika's Corner. Welcome. Today I want to film a video that is going to showcase how to keep a clean and clear skin. Tip number 1 is making sure that we wash our face in the morning. This is really important. The reason why this is important is because throughout the night you toss and turn, and then your hands are squashing your face and your hands are dirty. They're full of germs. And so are your pillow covers, and so are your bed sheets. So the most important thing to do is change that pillow cover, change that bed sheet on a regular basis, wash your hands, and then not only that, but also just wash your face in the morning. And what this will do is just remove all the germs that your face caught on during the night, and it will obviously rehydrate it and also just take off all those bad germs. So hopefully that does not cause any breakouts. And what you want to use is a soft cleansing gel. So for somebody like me, for example, I have dry skin. So what I tend to use is a cleansing gel that is soap free because it rehydrates my skin and it provides me with that extra boost of oil and hydration. So I use this product on my right. I'm going to insert the picture right here. And this product is just awesome. The amazing thing about this product is that it has chamomile. Chamomile is really great for your skin because it basically fights off acne and it removes your scars from acne and it reduces redness. So for somebody like me who has redness on the apples of my cheeks and on my nose, it does really good wonders. So definitely try out that cleansing gel from Yves rocher. I'm sure you guys will love it. Trick number 2. There are 4 different types of skin types, and it's really important to know what your skin type is like. So for example, somebody like me, I have dry skin. So having dry skin means that I have a little bit of invisible pores, but I also have something that's patchy. Sometimes my skin is not really behaving the best because it doesn't have the oil that it needs and the hydration that it needs to stay hydrated. The second type of skin is oily skin. So oily skin, you have excess oil on your face, and you kind of just don't want that much oil on your face either. Number 3 is a combination of both dry and oily skin, and so you have patchiness on your face, but you also have that oil that you need for hydration. Number 4. You have sensitive skin. Again, that's somebody like me. I have sensitive skin as well. So your skin does not react nicely to chemicals and fragrances. So for example, what happens is that if I use something on my face that has a lot of chemicals or has a little bit of fragrance, my skin will start to irritate immediately and I will start to have an itchiness feeling, and I have to literally take off that product because I cannot use it. So knowing the type of skin type you have is really crucial because it's going to help you pick the right products, including the right type of moisturizer, the right type of cleansing gel, the right type of mist spray, and so on. Number 3 is that for people with oily skin or people with if you want to use this, you can go ahead and use this as well. Use a toner. So what a toner does, it is balances out the pH levels on your face. So for example, I'm somebody who has dry skin. So I might not need this as heavily as somebody who has oil skin because their skin absorbs a lot more product in. They're continuously changing the pH levels. So the normal pH level of a skin should be about 5 to 6. When you use products throughout the day or using cleansing gels, again, any type of face wash or anything like that, will change the pH level. What a toner does is balances out the pH level and it moves it back to 5 to 6 where it should be at. Now, along with that, a toner also reduces the pores. It makes it seem like the pores aren't really there, and so a toner is really important for people with oily skin before applying any type of makeup. Tip number 4. Here we are. I just want to make sure that everybody knows that you are supposed to moisturize your skin. Hydration is so important, especially in the heat and in winter where there's barely any sun exposure. It is really important. So what I do is I use this Clinque. There it is. I use this Clinque product, and oh my gosh guys, this is the smaller version of it and it matches my shirt, but it is so good for you. So I use this because it provides me with 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. So it provides me with hydration for about 72 hours. I kid you not, I will put on my makeup and I will take it off the same day, and the next day I will still feel this cream on my face. So that's how hydrating it is. and it's for all type of skins, right? It's really, really good because this contains caffeine, and as we all know, caffeine is really good for us because it helps reduce redness, because it decreases your blood vessels, right? And so, for example, for somebody like me, if I was to apply this on, which I will right now just to show you, I just take a little bit like this, and I just like put it all over my face, and you can already try to see my skin shining. It's already getting hydrated. There's a huge difference between the right side and the left side. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in on the left side. So again, where I was at was caffeine reduces redness, and for somebody who has rosacea or just redness like I do on the apples of my cheek, this cream is awesome because it will definitely help you with that. So this is an obvious tip. I'm not keeping count of the tip numbers anymore, but you should never touch your face, or just try to touch your face as little as possible. This is very, very important. The reason being is because, again, your fingers and your nails have so many germs on them, and the more you touch your face, the more you're exposing them to germs. So, and throughout the day, you're touching, you know, a trolley at Walmart, you're touching your car, you're on the bus, you know, stuff like that. You're getting your hands really dirty, and you should really just try to touch your face as little as possible. Even when it's itchy, just don't touch it. The itchiness will go away. The more you itch it, the more the itchiness will stay. So try to touch your face as little as possible. As we all know, I introduced my boyfriend Mario Badescu in my first video, and I want to bring this guy back because face mists are really, really important, especially this one because it has rosewater and aloe in it, and herbs. So this face mist is really good because, again, we're going to go back to treating our skin like a sponge. So when you apply some of this moisturizer on, your skin is damp, and as soon as you spray this in, it will give your skin a, let me just spray it in right now. So it will rehydrate your skin, and it will absorb that water that you just sprayed on, which means double the hydration, which is awesome for somebody who has dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, what a mist spray does is that it keeps the excess oil away, and it provides you with the necessary oil you really need while absorbing the oil you don't need. So it's like, whoa, it's meant for like both dry and oily skin, which is totally awesome. Also, this amazing rose water. So a lot of people also just do rose water, but the rose water in this spray as well helps, you know, decrease the redness again on your cheeks, helps you with eczema, helps you with acne. So rose water is really good for you. The other product that this has is aloe, and aloe is really good because it has two hormones, gibberellins, I believe, and I forgot the other one, auxins. I don't know if I'm saying these properly. Gibberellins is really good because it helps you grow back. It's a growth hormone, so it helps you heal your skin and grow back the skin. So when you have scarring on your face, it's really good to just apply aloe, and it will help heal that skin. You want to make sure you're applying sunscreen, and this is so important because UV rays are gonna expose themselves onto your skin, and you could possibly, God forbid, end up with cancer, or, you know, end up with some sort of breakout. So you want to make sure that your face is getting the protection it deserves. So using a sunscreen or a BB cream, if you don't like the feeling of sunscreen, a BB cream has a SPF of at least 15, and it is basically foundation with, you know, a little bit of sunscreen in it, and then you put it on your face, and it will make your face look really natural, but it will still give your face that SPF protection from the UV rays. Okay, you eat, your diet has a huge impact on your skin. So eating fruits that contain vitamin D and vitamin C and antioxidants is really good for your skin because it provides your skin with the type of vitamins that it needs to rejuvenate, to rehydrate, and to heal itself, right? Drinking a lot of water also helps. You can never go wrong with water. As we all know, the more water you drink, the more your body absorbs, which means it's really good for your face because it rehydrates your face, and you cannot go wrong with that. So these are my tips and tricks on how to have a clear skin. Hopefully I helped you guys. Hopefully I taught you something. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Turn on those post notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mika's Corner. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Take care.